Hola a todos. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you about your slideshow assignment. I'm going to show you how to do that and how to submit it so that it can get a grade. Please make sure you read all instructions carefully. There's also examples given so you can check those out and know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you understand that you're responsible for submitting that link so that the teacher can view it. If a teacher cannot see your project, then it will get a 0 grade, and nobody wants that. There's a couple easy options for you. One is PowerPoint, which is available through your student account with Excelsior. You can download it on your device. You can download it on your computer. Please feel free to use that. If you have any questions, please see your facilitator or see your teacher about that. Another possibility is Google Slides. If you have a Google account, or you can create one, you can create a Google Slides presentation, which is similar to PowerPoint. It will be online automatically, and it's maybe a little easier to share. But either way, as long as a person can see it, it's fine. You can even put it as a PDF. You can save it as a PDF and you have all the information there. It can be a slideshow, and all you have to do is put it in Google Drive or Dropbox and then have a shared file. So it's important to be able to give the shared link. It's usually something you have to create and not just the URL you use to work on your file, because the files are private by default. So you have to say that you want to share it and then and activate the sharing. Okay, so we'll talk about Google Slides first because it's easiest. So open Google Slides. You can see an example here in your in the example. You're going to see this, and you also notice you can actually add it to your drive, but please do not copy this and submit it as your own work. You should have different verbs. These are just examples. These are examples from the textbook and from the lessons. I have other examples that I give you in Canvas. If you look in Canvas right here, you'll see some ideas for verbs you can use. It's right down here. There's the E to IE verbs, O or U to UE, and E to I stem changers there. So it gives you a lot of options here, lots of ideas to use. So please don't simply use the example and turn it in as your own, please. Okay, so you'll need to change these verbs. You'll need one E to IE stem changer, one O or U to UE stem changer like poder, and then one E to I stem changer like pedir. What you're going to do on your first slide, you have your name. You're going to have your 3 verbs and what they mean in English. You're going to have the verb on the top of the next slide, and you're going to have the conjugation. You do not need to have vosotros, although you can include it if you like. The next one is using it in 3 sentences. Mañana mi clase empieza. Now I know that's not in your description in Canvas, but please use it in three sentences. That's all you need to do, and mix up the usage a little bit. So I'm using nosotros here. I'm using mi clase here. I'm using the plural ellos, ellas, ustedes there. Next slide, I'm going to have my next verb, poder. I have my conjugation there, and then I have my 3 sentences there, and then my next verb, and so on and so forth. Of course, this is incomplete because it's just an example. So once you're done, make sure that you click on share to get a shared link. If this is a Google document, a Google slideshow, and then click share, get shareable link there. So let me show you how you do that. Go into here, and I go to share, and then it will let me get to shareable link. So I click that, to get that shareable link, activate it, and I can copy the link anytime. Now, the great thing about this is that anytime you change your presentation, you can, it'll show up in next time somebody views it. So it's not, the link doesn't change, but the file might change. So also make sure you don't just delete it, because if you do, then of course if somebody tries to view it, then it won't show anything. So please make sure you do that, and that should be it. You can save it as a PDF. You can also do this on PowerPoint if you use it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. You can do that too. It works the same way. You just share it, and you're going to get a link. You want to make sure that anybody with a link can view, not edit, just view the file, and then paste it into the assignment for your submission. Also, don't forget to put it in the discussion board. Make sure to put it in the discussion board. You just click there and it links to the STEM Changing Verb discussion board. That way other students can view your presentation and you can view what other students have done. So please feel free to do that and share what you've been working on, and you can even go there to get some ideas. Okay, and that's about it for this assignment. It's very important to make sure to do this. It's part of your Unit 1 project grade, so it does count for significant points because it's a few steps, it takes a little time to do, and it's a culmination of other activities and also review from next year. Okay, thank you, everybody. Gracias. Nos vemos.